Let's start this workout, guys. Pick up the medicine ball. I'm gonna start the timer. We've got 15 seconds on the timer. You're gonna start towards the back of the step at the side. Arms are gonna be overhead. You're gonna step that inside leg forward and you're gonna drive it into a wood chop, and then you're gonna step across, ball onto the inside of that foot, and we're gonna do everything on this side and then we're gonna switch sides, okay? So hopefully you got that. Step forward, wood chop, step to the side, ball down. Beautiful. Keeping your chest lifted and really using those legs. Big muscles, getting the heart rate going. So this is definitely a little bit of low impact cardio. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So I'll just run through it again. Arms are gonna be overhead. Step that inside leg forward into a wood chop, and then over the step and ball up. Okay, here we go. Wood chop. So you're working your abdominals at the same time. And we're definitely burning some fat here. You guys have been asking me about calories and stuff. I don't count calories. So I have no idea how many calories this workout would burn, and it would totally depend on how much you weigh, how hard you're working, etc., etc. So don't worry about that so much. It's a very cumbersome way to manage your workouts, counting calories. It's never gonna be accurate anyway. Okay, so next up, we're gonna stand on top of the step and we're gonna do a little squat off the side, a curtsy behind, come back into that squat, and 2 leg lifts, okay? Here we go. Down, squat, 2 leg lifts, back, squat, leg lift, leg lift. Keep it going. Keep your chest up, always good posture. Okay, same thing to the other side. It's gonna be your squat, curtsy, squat, leg lift, leg lift. Squat, curtsy, squat, leg lift, squat, curtsy, squat, leg lift, squat. And now I'll stop talking. Pretty well because I can't. And that leg is on fire. Woo! Okay, gonna put the medicine ball for this last exercise in the circuit. It's number 5. Hopefully I won't lose my little transmitter. We're gonna do hop overs, so hands on the step and side to side as many times as you can in 45 seconds. You can stop and take a break whenever you need to. Just gonna fix my stuff and keep going, guys. Don't stop because I do. Yep, everything's apart here. Okay, that is the end of round one. Refresh and come back for round two really quickly, okay? All right, guys, let's get ready for round two. Timer is counting down. Arms are overhead. We're well hydrated, and we are ready to begin again with that wood chop on the forward lunge. Here we go. Step, inside leg forward, wood chop. Reach, and it's not a wood chop, or although it could be if you want it to be on the side lunge move. I'm making it more of a press, but it's up to you. Important cues here are to keep your chest lifted, not to round your back or your shoulders, to really use your legs. Keep your abs in, toes pointed forward, and big range of motion, okay? All right, you can drop the arms, breathe, and then we're gonna take everything overhead again and get ready for the other side. Wood chop, long arms. Step, reach, up, wood chop, up, reach, get low, get high, get low, get high. I like the getting high part. I didn't just say that. Oh, I get high from working out. Reach. Hup. Almost there. Okay, so now we take it on top of the step for the little squat, curtsy squat, 2 leg lifts. Holding that medicine ball in front of the chest. Here we go. Curtsy squat, 2 leg lifts. Curtsy squat, leg lift, leg lift. So it's down and up again. Using that standing leg, that leg on top of the step should be really starting to burn out. For sure mine is. Okay, a little rest. And then coming back up and getting ready to do it on the other side. Whew. Down, curtsy, 2 leg lifts, curtsy, squat. Nice deep squats, guys. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, medicine ball down. Holding on to your clothes. And we're doing those hop overs. Here we go. is hard. Oh, come on, timer. That's round 2. Go get hydrated again and come right back for round 3. Alrighty, the end is near. 15 seconds, round 3. Picking up the ball. Are you guys sweaty? Super, super, super sweaty. Arms overhead. What is that? And get ready, here we go. Wood chop, up, lunge and press. See my feet moving around a little bit, just figuring out a good position where I can stay comfortably. You may have to find that little sweet spot too. Okay, same thing, other side. Arms are up, getting ready. Here we go, big wood chop, up, step it over, reach. And I have to check my machinery, my equipment. It's always subject to failure. Okay, now we're on top of the step. Oof. How are you guys doing? I hope you'll let me know what you think about this one. Okay, so squat and curtsy, squat, 2 leg lifts. Oh yes, I am definitely feeling fatigued. Woo! Hang in there. It's gonna be any second. Okay, ball down. Hands are gonna be on top of the step, and we're gonna be going for it. I'm gonna try not to stop this time, but it's so hard. Here we go. Oh my goodness, that was rough.